We are pleased to show you the 2023 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius XM radio, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.